What's up, everybody? I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation.
And I'm Chris from Forever USA.
And you know, I like a center chest logo placement just as much as the next guy.
And Jared, I am sick of seeing those center chest placements, man. You see what, come on, look at me.
I saw you walk in, man. You're looking good today.
I am styling and profiling, and guess what? What do you think I would call this right here?
I say you're looking forever head to toe, buddy.
I am looking forever white toner head to toe, baby. I got the hat, I got the sleeves, I got the other sleeve, I got the back, bringing it right on back to the front, down to my shorts and down to my toes. So guys, we're gonna call this white toner head to toe.
And to do that, we're gonna show you how we did it here at Heat Press Nation with the HPN Signature Pro Multifunction Heat Press. So that's how we do it. You guys just saw it here. White toner from head to toe with Forever Laser Transfer products. Man, how you feeling, Chris? You're looking good.
Oh, I feel even better, Jared. Come on, don't even play with me right now, man.
You know you look good. If you guys want to look good just like Chris, you can check out Forever products at heatpressnation.com.
And please don't forget to watch Customizing Culture on YouTube with your feature, Chris Godfrey from Forever USA.
We'll see you around, everybody.